Good morning, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike out here on a test run for a repair job on a 10 horsepower Johnson Seahorse. Taking her out on the bayou for a test run. As you can see, I got her idling right here. She idles pretty good. Let's take her out for a run, see how she does this morning. Alright, we got her out here on the bayou this morning. This is a repair job we did for a customer named Jared. It's a 1963 10 horsepower Johnson QD24. Not a complete restore, just a rebuild. Did the rebuild the magneto, coils, points, condensers. Rebuilt the carburetor, new starter rope, new rewind starter, gear case, impeller, pressure tested. Gave her a free paint job. Came out pretty good. Pushes my 14-foot feathercraft about 18 miles an hour. It's pretty awesome for a 10 horsepower. Let's give her a run here. Watch how she runs. Everybody's ready. Here we go. That puppy runs great. Jared ought to be really happy with his motor. Remember, here at T-Mike's, we're doing them one motor at a time. See you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed the video here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. We're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!